Hi, I'm Gauri. Welcome to my channel Arti-culate with Gauri Kamboj. Hello, dear friends. Spring is here and Holi is just around the corner. So let's make some intense homemade Holi colors with flowers and leaves. Totally natural and safe to use. Get the flowers of your choice. More the number of flowers, larger will be the quantity of color that will be produced. So the basic method is to microwave dry flowers, even if they are fresh, for 5 to 6 minutes till they are absolutely crisp. Make sure that you have a plate which is a truly oven proof plate. A ceramic one will do. Once this is done, the process is quite simple. All you need to do is grind to a powder the dry crisp flower petals, either in a mixer or with a mortar and pestle. Once you get the powdered petals, strain them with the help of a sieve. We are going to make two more colors, yellow and green. The yellow flowers that I have used here for the yellow color are the Acacia arabica flowers, which are in full bloom nowadays. The procedure is exactly the same. Microwave the flowers, then crush them, and then finally sieve them. Earlier, when I said that the flowers should be dry, I meant that they should not be wet. Fresh flowers are needed. The microwave is on full power, and the time depends on the number of flowers and how long it takes for them to become crisp. The green color we will make with hibiscus leaves. They are in plenty and are supposed to be very good for hair and skin. The process is exactly the same, although the leaves might take a little longer to crisp as they are thicker than the flower petals. So there we have three intense, completely homemade colors made within half an hour at home. Happy Holi, friends!